guys, today we're doing another YouTube video, and I have my sister here, and we're gonna be doing the Warheads Chewy Cubes taste test blindfold.
There is 6 flavors. We have orange, watermelon, blue raspberry, black cherry, strawberry, green apple. We had to guess the flavors and have it. And now we are gonna say which flavors do we think will be our favorite.
So this will be fun, I believe. And my favorite will be, I think, blue raspberry.
I think mine will be watermelon because the watermelon is kind of like not so sour. I think it will kind of calm down the sourness.
Get started.
I'll help you with it.
I can still see on the bottom.
Hey, no cheating.
No, seriously. I can still see.
We might be help. You see?
Okay. This tastes like...
This is not so sour.
It tastes like watermelon or
this is
orange. Yeah, it gotta be orange.
Yeah, this gotta be orange. I love it. It's like an orange I see when they have it at McDonald's.
Yeah, and I give this one a big thumbs up because it does taste like an orange I see, and I love orange I see. So yeah.
Yeah, I give it a thumbs up.
What's this one? Okay, there's gotta be a watermelon because it tastes like a watermelon. Okay, this is watermelon, I believe.
You're right. It tastes like the bubblegum. Wow.
Yeah, it does actually. Let's do another one. Please be blue raspberry.
You don't really taste the flavor
Okay.
yet. Only sour.
This tastes like a drink, and it kind of tastes like a green apple, but it kind of tastes
like flavor. It's just sourness with.
Is it
That's
like?
kind of sour.
I'll give this one a thumbs up. I like it.
I can't really tell.
I believe it gotta be blue raspberry or green apple because it's super sweet.
Well, I don't know what this is because of the sourness. It's like taking over the thing. So I had to go with green apple.
Let's do it again.
Please be blue raspberry. I think it's blue raspberry. I haven't even tried it in it.
Oh my goodness, it's gotta be blue raspberry because it tastes super like a drink of blue, like blue soda or like blue lemonade.
Oh, that's sour. That's sour.
Not that sour. Well, let's do this again. I love doing it. I gotta take up this one.
I didn't really taste that. I'm gonna try again. Oh, now I taste it. Oh, this tastes like my medicine.
Oh my goodness.
I gotta wash this out of my mouth.
Yay, Gaga! This tastes like... I think this one is gotta be like...
I forgot.
What flavor did we not have it yet?
I think it's black raspberry.
Yeah, it actually tastes like...
Hey, you can't say this.
I should say, because it tastes like my medicine, what I have for night.
Jelly beans.
So this one, I think, gotta be a coolest flavor. What was that?
Wait.
I guess I gotta get another one because mine's dropped. Okay.
This tastes like the same thing. Watermelon.
Wait. This actually tastes like blue, actually, I think.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Because it tastes like blueberry juice.
It tastes like watermelon and blueberry. I can't tell which one it is. I'm just gonna say the blueberry one.
So I like the blue raspberry because it's lit inside and I love it. And it's my favorite one because it's super, super sweet and I love lots of sweet candy sometimes. Yeah, Mommy, yours.
I love the orange one. It's a thumbs up. It reminds me about my favorite drink, orange iced tea. I give it a thumbs up, and it's definitely a good one.
Thanks for watching and comment down below which one do you think we should do next.
And please subscribe and put a big thumbs up for this channel.